Good day, my dear young artist. How are you today? I'm here again, Ma'am Angel, your teacher in TLE Illustration. And I welcome you all to another learning session of Valenzuela Live. Please get ready. Prepare your notebook, pen, and learning module. Don't forget to type present and comment the emoticon that represents how you feel with today's lesson, with your complete name, section, and the school where you are enrolled. We are now in the second week of our learning journey in illustration. After we acquired the skills in identifying and utilizing the different hand tools and equipment used in illustration, today our target is to maintain hand tools, drawing instruments, equipment, and paraphernalia. And to meet that target, our first learning competency for this skill is to inspect the hand tools and equipment received in illustration. At the end of our session, all of you are expected to determine various report forms in illustration that is used for inspection. You are also expected to create an inspection report by following the procedures correctly and to recognize the importance of identifying the common challenges in creating illustrations. Let us now explore how to inspect hand tools and equipment received in illustration using various report forms used for inspection. Let's begin with this first activity. This time, I want you to help me and Jana. Jana is a grade 7 student like you who takes great interest in drawing and sketching. She is just beginning to engage in illustration. Let us help her make and complete her shopping list of illustration tools and equipment. Come on, let's complete the shopping list. What are the basic illustration tools and equipment that she needs to purchase? Type your answer in the comment section. Oh, I got your answers! Students from Karohatan National High School. Drawing table, marker, pencil, eraser, what else? Thank you, students from Big 9 National High School. I got also your answer. Gel liners, coloring materials, paper, pencil, sharpener. Anything that you can add to our shopping list? Don't forget to comment with your answer. Correct! Ruler, triangle, compass. Exactly! We also need those. Now, what if Jana will be working with digital illustration? What does she need? Again, type your answer in the comment section. A graphics tablet with stylus, a computer mouse, that's right, an illustration software that must be installed. Exactly, we need all those for digital illustration. Thank you so much for helping Jana to complete her shopping list and giving her information about what she also needs in digital illustration. But still, Jana will cost her some money for these kinds of stuff. So today, let's learn together how to maintain these illustration tools and equipment, because these are also some challenges when we perform illustration. Here are some challenges. Common challenges in creating illustrations. Number 1, the cost of raw materials is not fixed. Raw material prices rise consistently. Another challenge in creating illustration. Technological development requires complicated and advanced maintenance. Digital tools used in illustration requires advanced maintenance. Clean your digital tablet using an anti-static cloth or slightly damp cloth in light pressure. Do not wrap the cables around the device when storing it. Another challenge. Electronic and chemical waste pose danger. Electronic waste contains toxic components that are dangerous to human health. Another challenge, an unhealthy mind and body affect desired results. Thoughts, feelings, beliefs, and attitudes of the artist can affect the quality of his work. Number 5, challenge. Inappropriate use of tools and equipment is prone to malfunction and accidents. Another, malfunction tools and equipment delay the activities. These challenges are encountered when you are already engaged in illustration or when you are in this kind of industry. There are some procedures that you could utilize when you are meeting these challenges. One of these is preparing an inspection report. An inspection report is a document that will collect the details and the assessments of an inspector about a specific subject or location. Here are some procedures in preparing an inspection report. Find an inspection report template. Next, modify the template according to your needs. After some modification, make it clear and concise. And inspect and review your report constantly. We could also use various forms for inspection. We can use requisition slip form. It is an official paper on which requests are made. A requisition slip is a document which is used primarily for informing a party about the specific requests and needs to be addressed immediately. The slip should be filled out only by the authorized person of the company who will be executing the request. Another form is the purchase order form. This form is a printed document for purchase request. Purchase order form outlines what the buyer would like to purchase and how much of it they would like to receive. These agreements help both the buyer and the seller about the transactions. Next, delivery receipt form. This form shows proof of receipt of goods and services from a supplier. This form contains the information about the customer, the receipt number, the delivery information, the order details, total amount, and the signature of the receiver. The order details table has the item description. Aside from that, it also has quantity, unit price, and the amount of each item. Next, inventory form. This is a document where the complete list of supply goods is written for checking its condition and availability. An inventory form is a data tool for recording all the items, supplies, commodities in an organization at a specific time. Inventory forms contain different fields where respondents can fill in item information like the product description, uses, the quantity left, and restock dates. We could also use borrower slip form, a printed paper that needs to fill out when borrowing or lending something. A borrower slip is also a practice of displaying that you are borrowing something, and it can be used in borrowing equipment in a laboratory or in other offices. These forms containing information are accomplished for safety, quality, and the purpose of monitoring. Now, let's do writing activity. Let's work with forms. Let's do fill and fill. For this activity, you need to feel the situation that you are being asked by your TLE teacher to create an inspection report of tools and equipment in the TLE laboratory. Then you are going to fill out the information needed in the inspection report. So let's begin. Feel the situation. Mrs. Santos, one of your teachers in grade 7, gave you a form. She asked you to proceed in the TLE laboratory. She gave you an instruction to check the tools and equipment and prepare an inspection report. At the TLE laboratory, you have found out that there are 30 drawing tables in the laboratory. 50 digital tablets are kept in a box, and 50 computer mouse that are unused. After inspection, 5 broken drawing tables need for repairs. Let's fill out the inspection report this time. On the first line, type your name. Second line, type your grade and section. Type the name of your school on the third line. On the fourth line, type the name of the laboratory. Next, type the purpose of your visit. Now, let's be working with columns. On the first column, it is the name of tools or instrument. Second column is the quantity or the total number of tools or instruments. Next is the number of usable tools. Then next column will be the number of not usable but repairable tools. Next column is the number of condemnable tools, or the number of tools or instruments that are for disposal. Next column is the number of borrowed. And on the last column is the number of missing tools or instruments. Now, let's fill in the needed information based on your inspection. There are 50 drawing tables. 45 are usable, and 5 drawing tables are not usable but repairable. There is no condemnable table. Nothing is borrowed, and nothing is missing. There are 30 digital tablets. 30 are usable. There is no digital tablet that is not usable but repairable. There is also no condemnable digital table or digital tablet. Nothing is borrowed, and nothing is missing. There are 30 pieces of computer mouse. 30 are usable. There is no computer mouse that is not usable but repairable. There is no condemnable digital tablets. Nothing is borrowed, and nothing is missing. Finish this form by typing your name. Name of your TLE teacher and the name of your principal. Congratulations! Now we have created an inspection report. Now let's move on. Let me check if you have understood our topic today. Let's have this another activity, multiple choice. Simply type the letter of your answer in the comment section. For number 1, what form refers to the printed paper that is needed to fill out when lending drawing tools? Is it A, borrower slip form? B, is it delivery receipt form? C, purchase order form? Or D, requisition slip form? Type the letter of your answer in the comment section. For number 1, if your answer is A, borrower slip, you are correct. Next number. Which of the following is not included in preparing an inspection report? Is it A, find a template? B, make the report wordy? C, modify the template? Or D, review the report constantly? If your answer in number 2 is B, make the report wordy, you are right. Next number. What type of form indicates the receipt of goods or services? Is it A, delivery receipt form? B. Inventory form. C. Purchase order form. D. Requisition slip form. For number 3, if your answer is C, purchase order form, you are so brilliant. Next number 4. Which of the list below refers to the unplanned situation in creating illustrations? Is it A, dispose waste properly? B, finish drawings on time? C, functional tools are used? D, raw materials cost rises? For this number, if your answer is D, raw materials cost rises, you are right. Next number. How do you call the complete list of supplies of goods that are used for checking its condition and availability? Is it A, borrower slip form? B, delivery receipt form? C, inventory form? Or D, purchase order form? For the last number, if your answer is C, inventory form, you are correct. Very good, grade 7 students. You are all brilliant. But do you have any questions about our topic? No more questions? Well, that's great. Since you have understood our lesson, please answer all the activities in your TLE 7 Quarter 2 Week 2 module. And organize your tools and working area for illustration. This will be your performance output number 1. Now help me conclude today's topic with this reminder. To maintain your illustration tools and equipment, periodic inspection is necessary. I am pretty sure that you enjoyed our session today. Your TLE teachers are so proud of you for your active participation in our discussion. Don't forget to visit your weekly home learning plan that will lead you to the activities that you need to accomplish. If you have any questions, just send a message to your TLE teachers and for sure, they will attend to you immediately. Let us also acknowledge the support and guidance of all nanay teachers who are always with us for the academic and character development of our young Valenzuelanos. Grade 7 student, let me tell you these important words. Start creating your masterpieces. Get your tools now and show the world how best you are. Again, I am Mom Angel. Remember this, smile and always be a responsable Valenzuelano. See you again, grade 7 students, in our next Valenzuela Live. Bye!